most beautiful and vibrant screen ever in the history of GOT series. The wide models feature a projective capacitive touch panel, enabling swift and smooth operation. The GOT is equipped with various interfaces offering extensive connectivity options. With the OPC UA server function, data can be collected to the upper-level systems via GOT, even from non-OPC UA devices. GOT3000 comes with the web browser as standard. You can monitor and set up connected devices that have a web server function. The built-in VPN connection function allows secure remote access. Protection against cyber threats, such as unauthorized access, has been enhanced. In case a device at a distant site has trouble and you need to monitor it remotely, secure communication via the internet is ensured. Using the HMI software GT Soft GOT3000, you can monitor and operate various devices from your PC, achieving the same performance as GOT3000. Smooth, seamless, smart. GOT3000 Series.